Arctic Golf is an 18-hole course situated at the Arctic Circle in northern Finland. Come join us where the crisp, clean air, beautiful views, and the winding fairways on the forest hillside offer a relaxing golfing experience. The narrow holes and differences in altitude offer challenging experiences ranging from new to professional golfers. Our season begins at the end of May and lasts until mid-October. In the summer, come play around the clock under the midnight sun. In the autumn, one can experience the array of colors of the Arctic region. Arctic Golf offers a clubhouse restaurant with a large terrace that is always ready to serve customers. One can find a pro shop connected to the caddy master's office along with showers located in the locker rooms. In the vicinity of the clubhouse, there is a driving range and practice areas for putting, chipping, and pitching. Arctic Golf is only a few minutes' drive from the airport, railway station, and hotels of Rovaniemi. Welcome to enjoy an unforgettable golfing experience in Rovaniemi.